the truth is, I've also been part of the crew that's been listening to 90s and Bollywood and loved Shah Rukh Khan and all of that. But I think my peers have been global citizens almost. We've had such good access to music all across. What makes me feel like sets me apart is that I'm an amalgamation of all of my experiences and a perfect sponge where I get to be Western and Indian, and I feel I do have a lot of listeners who vibe with my music, so it's an edge. I am really influenced by my upbringing, and I'm really influenced by the accessibility of the world around me, from traveling at a young age to now singing in English. And that really is the best of both worlds for me because I get to be all and everything at the same time, and I get to define my own personality.